Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to see functions in JavaScript. A function in a JavaScript is just a block of code designed to perform a particular task. So we are going to write a code inside the block, and that block will be executed when something invokes it, right? That something is we are going to see in the next slide. So how we can write a function? What is the syntax to write a function in a JavaScript? It's very simple. We need to write a keyword named function followed by the name of the function and then followed by the parenthesis. We can also specify parameters inside the parenthesis with the help of comma. Ready? So the code to be executed by the function is placed inside the curly brackets after the parenthesis. So let's see an example. Here we have a function keyword, then name of the function, and then inside the parenthesis we have two parameters. We need not to specify the like data type of that particular parameters, as well as we need not to specify the data type of the return. Ready? So it's very simple. Function keyword followed by the name of the function followed by the parenthesis. If you want to specify parameters, you can specify inside the parenthesis, and inside the curly brackets we are going to write a code that we want to execute it. So the function, when we reach the return statement, the function will stop executing and it will be returned from where it will be executed. So now what is something that I have said? Something needs to be invoked the function. Ready? So what is that something? There can be three different ways in which the function will be executed. The first is when some event occurred. For example, some user clicks a button, or we enter something inside the input, or we change the select, right? Or mouse is hovered on some particular element. Some event occurred. Ready? At that time, we can set some function to be invoked, or it will be invoked from the JavaScript, a regular call, or it will be executed automatically, self-invoked. Ready? How this will work, we'll see when we require that function to be executed. But before that, we'll see a simple example how we can call the function. Ready? We have HTML file, our HTML file, simple HTML file. Here we can, as we know, we can write a script tag. Inside that particular script tag we can specify a function, let's say abc, without any arguments. Here I'm simply specifying document dot write hello world, sorry, hello world. So when we run this particular file, as I already said, it won't print hello world. Why? Because the function needs to be invoked. Something must be there to invoke this function, otherwise it won't execute itself. Ready? So there are three different ways. As I said, we can simply make a call from a JavaScript to this particular function. This is the second technique, as we have seen here. Invoke from the JavaScript code, then it will print hello world, then it will print the hello world, or some event occurred, right? We can specify, it might be difficult for you to grasp as of now, we'll see that in detail. But let's see, I'm creating one button, and on that button I'm creating some event. We'll see that particular event handling in detail in later session, no need to worry for now. Here I'm just giving one demo that I want to create. Click here, I want to create a button, and that button, when I click that button, I'm removing this call, I'm removing this call. Okay, so initially it won't print anything, but when I click here, it will print hello world. So now we have some event, it won't print until I click this particular button. So on click event, we are calling this particular function. So this is how we can call a function, and this automatically self-invoked will see in the later sessions when it will be required. So this is how function works inside JavaScript. Thank you.